Hi, everyone. I hope everybody's hanging in there, doing okay. So we're now into our next week. This is going to be the homework for March 22nd. And I've told you that this week we're going to be reading Ta-Nehisi Coates and Zora Hurston Neal. And we talked a little bit about how Coates is from the Baltimore area, and we got a little bit of background information on that. And then we talked a little bit about Zora, who is a little bit, her writing came earlier in the 20th century. So, what do you have to do this week? You're going to do the reading on Ta-Nehisi Coates, The World and Me, Between the World and Me. But before you do that, please complete the vocabulary exercise on Coates. That will help you understand the reading better. You can practice the vocabulary on Quizlet. And then when you're reading, complete the outline. We will discuss the outline at our next class on March 24th, but you do not have to submit the outline on Blackboard. Just use the outline to help you understand the text. And mark any questions that you note so that we can bring those up in our next online session. Then you're going to read Zora's essay. After that, you complete the discussion board post in which you're going to compare Matabene and Coates. And then group 4 still has to do their presentation. The other groups, we have finished with those. You'll continue reading Prayers for the Stolen, pages 98 through page 121, and answer the comprehension questions. So since we're in this new alternate format, I am posting the homework a little bit differently since I'm not meeting you face to face and I can't give you the paper handouts. Notice that I have pasted the table in here. I have attached a PDF file if you do want to print it out or download it on your computer so that you can do the checkoffs. And I still have the link down here as usual, which takes you to your homework folder. And the homework folder, I'm sorry, let's just go down here so you can see that you will open this up. And this, you have a picture here of Ta-Nehisi Coates. In here you have the reading. So again, since we're not meeting face to face, I can't give this to you on paper, but you do have the link up here on Blackboard so that you can read it. You have the outline, which you can use to work through to help you understand the reading. You're going to start by comparing the New York West Village versus Flatbush Avenue in Baltimore, and then describe the incident between Coates, his son, and the woman at the theater. And then you're going to describe Coates' reaction to the incident. From there, you're going to go on to look up the names of these people and think about why Coates put them in his story. Jackie Robinson, Eric Gardner, Trayvon Martin, and Sean Bell. You have the introduction to the vocabulary. You're going to submit it here. This is your discussion board post in which you're going to compare Coates and Matabene. Here's the Quizlet for practicing the vocabulary. In the essay by Zora Neale Hurston, you have the link right here that you can open up. And then finally, the Prayers for the Stolen with the comprehension questions here. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you online. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon.